thank you guys for tuning in. We are in the final part of, or part 4 of my second booster, Fusion Strike booster box opening. These are the cards we've gotten so far, and we'll do a review at the end. We're going to open up 10. Oh, well, I think I messed up. Froligator was the secret. And main primate was the reverse. There you go. Sorry, it's been a long day, and it's been a little depressing seeing what I pulled. If you have seen what I've pulled, 2, 3, 4. This one's dope though, and this one's dope. Everything else I think I've had one of already. Metapod, Persian, Power Tablet, Q-Fant. Don't know what that is. Onyx, Jigglypuff. Actually, I'm gonna keep this here. Genghis Khan and Granbull. Granbull is super OP, I feel like, on Pokemon Go right now. I'm having a tough time beating it in like gym battles and stuff like that. Alright, here's that. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, and like I've said, you know, make sure you comment. It helps with engagement. Snorlax. Creepy Makuta. Klefki. And Cursola. Breezing through these guys. Breezing through them. Alright. A little bit of luck. With a little bit of luck, maybe we could pull another Mew. And maybe not mess it up this time. Alright. Energy. Beware. Lopunny. Skaters Park. I like this artwork a lot, actually. Super simple. Wooloo. Philosopher. Mudkip. 3D type Sandshrew right there. Maybe a Claymation. And, ooh, Toxtricity. That's cool. Fusion Strike, Toxtricity. Alright. On the first one, we only got the Cinderace. The second one, we got 3. The Genesect, the Gritty V, and this one. And then the third, part 3, we got the MEWS. So it's been really rough. Schoolgirl, I don't think I have that one. Power Tablet, got a bunch of those. Shroomish, Klefki, Trubbish, Totodile, Shroom. Ooh, Absol. Don't got this one. Alright. That might be it, guys. I don't have much faith in this pack. Should I have faith? I think last time I kind of gave up on this pack. I pulled that Rainbow Secret Mew. So maybe that's the kind of energy I need to put out there, huh? Also Sparkle. I also forgot some of the cards that are in here, so that's why, you know. I know that there's a handful of MEWS, but other than that, that Clamperl looks cool. Huntail. Clamperl's evolution. One of Clamperl's evolutions. Maybe that's why. I don't really know what to expect, maybe. But still fun to some extent. Until you get some of these white code cards. Right. Energy. Electro. Trivant. Adventure Discovery. Cheetle. Volby. I got shiny one of these that hatched, I think, on Pokemon Go the other day. Onyx. And Corviknight. We got 3 more, boys and girls. Can we pull something? Can we pull Like, we haven't even pulled anything on this one, huh? There's 5? Dude, this is really bad. This is a really bad booster box. 3, 4. Like, usually I think I get 8. That just means one of these is gonna be super fire, hopefully. Like one of the rarest cards. Maybe even the gold Mew from that I'm missing from what's it called? Celebrations. Alright, 2 more. Could it be that Mew right there? Alright. We got a black border. Okay. Green energy. Weird Judge. Qfant. Gingler. Slugma. Skitty. Volibee. Abdominal V. Okay, that's what they're gonna give me, huh? Alright, well, I'll be happy because I don't have that yet, but that's 6, and usually I get 8. Most I can get is 7, so this, maybe, like, Greed Bent was the heater. Oh my gosh. White code card, that's it. Let's just flip it. That's it. That's the secret. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. VIP pass for what? Alright, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this second booster box opening. Here, oh, yeah. Let me show you. So, I got Crabdominal V. Genesex V. Cinderace V. A lot of V's, I guess. Tracina V. Mew V. And I think this is the most rarest card that I pulled on this booster box. The Greedent V. Alt Art, I think. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you guys in the next opening. Peace.